Are you tired of paying high cable bills? Do you feel like you want to fire your cable provider? Do you feel like you want to eliminate at least one monthly bill and still have cable access? Do you want to have access to more cable channels than with your paid cable provider? Well, stick around and I'll show you how you can save money with this very small but powerful device. Welcome back to another episode of Ira Mobile Tech Review. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing this small but powerful device, the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Ready for the unboxing? Let's do this. Okay, so the Fire TV stick is now connected to the television. We have selected the correct HDMI connection. So now it is searching for the remote. So we're gonna sync the remote to the Fire Stick. To do this, we have to place the remote close to where the Fire Stick is and continually press down on the home button for possibly about 5 to 10 seconds until it's successfully connected. Press on the play button to start. Like that. You would select the language, which is English. Now it's scanning for the Wi-Fi network. So we're going to put in our Wi-Fi password by selecting the network first. And then we enter the password. Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Alright, so we have a successful connection. It's checking for updates. Alright, so this Fire Stick didn't come with an account.
While we finish setting up your device, let's take a quick tour of your new Fire TV stick.
Just real quick.
Try and playlist like this.
Just skip through this real quick. Okay guys, so that's the home screen. Let's check out the apps on this thing. While Fire devices come with pre-installed apps, there are other apps out there that you can install yourself. Okay, let's do this. Use the joystick button on your remote, slide over to the menu selection right there, click, and there you'll see the apps under your apps and channels. Let's see what we have here. We have YouTube. You know, everybody knows YouTube. Yes, so that's YouTube. We also have Netflix. This is Netflix. There are some other apps that you can download. They're official, like for instance, Filmrise, free movies and TV. Alright, let's check out one of these. Let's check out this movie, Stolen. See that? That's Filmrise. And Filmrise has a lot of other movie apps. You can use your Fire Stick remote to request these apps. Filmrise. There it is. The one that we were watching just now was Filmrise Free Movies and TV. We also have Filmrise Western Free Movies and TV. We also have Filmrise British TV. Alright, you don't answer that one here. Filmrise Oil, Filmrise Sci-Fi, Filmrise True Crime, Filmrise Action, Filmrise Documentary, Filmrise Classic TV, Filmrise Black TV, and there are many others. Let me click on Filmrise British TV, and there you just click on download, and guys, this is an official app and it's completely free. The maker of this app gets paid by placing ads on the app. So while watching the movie or while watching the series, from time to time, certain ads will pop up. But, I mean, it's free, so that should not be a problem. Open. Alright, so you can choose a movie, Midsummer Murders. And this is a series, season 1. And there it is. Those are free apps, free movie apps. There are unofficial apps that can be downloaded as well. But to download these, you'll have to get the Fire Stick program. Some persons call it a jailbreak. These apps include numerous cable and sports channels. So there you have it, guys. With this device, you won't have to pay another cable bill for the rest of your life. If this video was beneficial to you, let us know in the comments below. Drop a like on it. Share it with your friends on Facebook. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and join the family. You can also subscribe to our family channel, Keeping Up with the Ashmeads, right here. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and we'll see you in the next video.